As a parent of a child attending BbP, yes, first thank you to the sponsors and the founder yourself. Thank you very much. Yes, my son is really like he knows how to blend a word and say it. He can read. First of all, when at home he doesn't know just a word or to blend it or sound it, but as he starts to come here, he knows reading. He can just write a word or something.
So after how many months has he learned to read? How quickly did he learn to read?
It's like 2 years now.
6 months, something
Yes,
like that?
yeah, not really 6 months, like 4 to 5 months. Savelo read now. Can write. Can sound him word. It's like no more long now. No. Yes. Na too low like experience. Mother, my elder son, he was attending the libraries 2012 and 13. Yes, 2012 and 13. Now like is just far from the other students.
In
like
the school?
Yes, in the school.
Because
now
he
he's
has
doing
the
his
right
grade 3
start.
now, yes.
Yeah.
Now he's doing his grade 3, so like can read and write now. All get a subject like Bamitoko sem. Thank you. A very big thank you to BbP. Just first all get a subject.
Oh,
Reading is nothing to him. So one more very big thanks to BbP.
thank you so much.